Keeping your books reconciled is an essential part of any accounting software, but it can take up too much of your valuable time. Odoo Accounting makes reconciliation faster and easier than ever. The accounting dashboard lets you easily review and manage your journals. You can quickly add statements from banks and payment acquirers either manually, by importing a statement, or with the automatic synchronization feature. Odoo supports more than 20,000 banks, so simply select yours from the list and your bank statements will be automatically downloaded from your bank every 4 hours, so you can reconcile your accounts as you go to save time at the end of the month. Now, you can reconcile your bank statement with your records in Odoo. Odoo will automatically reconcile lines as it learns about your transactions and suggests matches if it's not sure. You can search your records by partner, date, memo, or dollar amount to find the right match. Lines appearing in blue have already been matched with the payment in Odoo, while those in black have not. If your customer pays for 2 invoices with a single check, no problem. You can reconcile any number of invoices with a single payment. And using a reconciliation preset, you can reconcile a line without a corresponding invoice, like a monthly phone bill, in a single click. And of course, you can register partial payment of an invoice, either writing off the remainder or leaving the invoice open. You can deposit several checks at once using the batch deposit feature. Select the batch deposit from the list to reconcile it with your bank statement. And finally, you can reconcile all matches at once with a keyboard shortcut. You can use Odoo's robust reconciliation report to make sure your accounts are in order. The reconciliation report shows you the difference between the current balance of your general ledger and the latest statement balance from your bank, as well as every entry responsible for the difference. So you spend less time on data entry and more time doing what matters. With Odoo Accounting, reconciliation has never been easier.